Go ahead, sir. Go ahead. Go ahead to your next
Yeah,
point. Okay.
Yeah, I just would like to ask the former president, sir, noong ikaw ay presidente, lahat ng tao sa Pilipinas kinukonsider kang hero dahil sa ginawa mong war on drugs. Lahat ng politician we're singing praises. Hallelujah! Thank you, Mr. President. Meron pa mga congressman nagsabi, Mr. President, sana ma-extend ang term ni Pangulong Duterte dahil sa ganda na nangyari sa ating war on drugs. 1.6 million ang nag-surrender in the first 6 months. The crime volume was reduced to 49% during the first 6 months. At ang nahuli, there were around 300,000 na nakakulong sa mga kulungan all over the Philippines. Kaya nagka-problema tayo.